In today's video, I'll show you a very easy way to turn still images to talking and even singing videos with AI in just a few clicks.
I waited through silence, through stories and storms, for one whispered moment.
Now, I know most AI tools struggle with creating lip sync videos for animals, and that's where Mango Animate comes in. So Mango AI is an advanced AI-powered video generator tool, which is designed to simplify video creation. Now, with Mango AI, you can create animated avatars, talking and singing photos, video translations, and so much more in just a few minutes. So we are going to get started by going over to Mango Animate. So right here in the product section, you can see all the different products within this platform. But for our video today, all we need is the AI video option. So we're going to click on this button right here that says create AI video, and this is going to open up. As you can see right here, there are so many tools within the Mango AI video generator. There's the talking photo, there's avatar dialogue, there's a video face swap, there's talking animals, singing animals, and all that. So today what we need is this talking animal option, and we also need this singing animal option right here. So we're going to start with the talking animals. So once you click on it, this is the page that is going to open, and the first thing that you need to do is upload an image that has the animal that you want to use. Of importance in this case is to make sure that you use an image where the mouth of your animal is clearly visible. Next, you need to input what you want your animal to be saying. So you can do this in 3 different ways. First, you can just input your text. Next, you can upload an audio file that you already have. And third, you can just record one right here on the platform. In this case, I'll just go with the input text option, and I'm going to choose a voice over right here on the platform. So let me just go ahead and input whatever I want my animal to say. So this is what I want this particular animal to say. Next, I'm going to choose the voiceover that I want to use. Click on the AI voice option and you'll be able to choose a voice that you can use. So there are so many languages that you can choose from, and you can filter this according to the language, the gender, or the age, and even the tier. So in this case, I'll just input English, female, and I want it to be middle-aged.
It wasn't the storm that changed her. It was the quiet afterward.
There is no greater harm than that of time wasted.
So once you find a voice that you like, all you have to do is to click on it to select it. And next, go to the very bottom and click on this confirm button right here. After that, you can go ahead and choose the facial pose as well as the lip scale. So for the facial pose, I'll just go with small. And for the lip scale, I think I'll just go with medium or small. So let's just do small for both, and after that you're ready to hit generate. So a couple of minutes later your video will be ready. So fast forward to the generated video. So here we have it. Let's just play it and see.
Did you know that you can create videos with talking animals and singing animals easily with AI?
The lip sync for that is actually good, but I feel like the voice does not really match the character. So I'll just go back, and this time I'll choose a heavy male voice. And once you do that, here is the new video. Let's just look at it.
Can create videos with talking animals and singing animals easily with AI? Now I know that most...
So yeah, I think that is way better for this. So to download, just hit this download button right here, and the video will be downloaded. Next, let's go to the singing animals option. In this case, you'll just do the same thing. You'll need an image of your animal. So you can choose one of the animals right here. So I'll just choose, let's just go with one of these. So I think I'll just choose this one right here. So once you've chosen the animal that you want to go with, the next thing that you need to do is upload your song. So I'll just upload a short song right here. So let's go with this one right here. And after that, you'll need to choose the singing style. For the singing style, you can choose between natural, opera, you can choose innocent, joyful, passionate, and soulful. For this, I think I'll just go with joyful. The next thing that you need to do is choose the pose scale as well as the lip scale. Once you've chosen all the settings that you want for your video, just click on the generate singing animal video. and the video generation process will start. So let's fast forward this part again. So here we have the final video. So let me just put it on a bigger screen for you to see clearly.
I waited through silence, through stories and storms, for one whispered moment.
So there you have it. As you can see, the tool does a pretty good job when it comes to lip syncing animals. As you know, most AI tools do not really do a good job when it comes to lip syncing animals. So I think this one is trying to really do the job. Now, to access all your generated videos, all you have to do is just go to My Creations, and there you're going to find all the generated videos that you've been working on. Now, back to the generation page. If you want to generate with an actual image of a person, just go to the singing photos option right here. So in this case, you're going to be using an image of a person in whichever style that you want. So in this case, let's just go ahead and choose one of the images right here on the platform. So I think I'll just go with this little girl right here. And after that, the next steps are actually the same as just before. So this time I'll just input this song of a cat. Again, you're going to choose the singing style that you want. So in this case, I think I'll just go with joyful again. After that, you're going to choose the pose scale as well as the lip scale. Once all that is done, the next thing that you need to do is just go ahead and hit the generate button. As you can see, the steps are pretty much the same. The only difference is that when you're using animals, just use the animal option, and when you're using humans, just use the photo option. The final video is ready. So again, let's just look at this on a bigger screen.
Chasing butterflies and soft white fur. Sunshine naps on a windowsill. Tuna treats give me quite a thrill. I swish my tail, I leap and play, zooming through the house all day with a meow and a...
As you can see, the music lip sync for that was actually really good. So that's it with Mango Animate when it comes to talking photos, talking animals, singing animals, and singing photos. Now, there are so many other AI tools within Mango AI that you can go ahead and try out. They are all listed right here, and I'll leave all the necessary links in the description box below. So go ahead and try Mango AI. Let me know what you think. And if you have any questions about this, make sure you put them in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to get back to you.